Hey folks, hey, today I'm going to take you on a tour through the Kimbo factory and show you kind of the different stages that we go through. It's raining here in Washington, and so it's perfect Kimbo weather. So this one has an AC unit right down here, and this one's just about ready to go out the door tomorrow. It's all finished. We've got the windows in. This one doesn't come with a refrigerator, so we put a cap right there. It comes with a fireplace, so it ends up coming with this chimney. Here's what the inside looks like. This right here is a new add-on that we just recently put in place, which is that if you don't end up getting a propane tank, you can use the inside of this as a storage bay. So on the inside, this right here is your entryway and where you would hang up jackets and things like that. So that's looking pretty good. And then this is a fireplace, which is an add-on or a module that you can add to the Kimbo. So you open it up and put your little logs and firewood in there. Here's the seating. And so this one's still being built. It's going to be finished tomorrow. We've got storage racks along here, a ceiling fan. And then this one actually comes with a shower, which is pretty cool. So you pull this up, and then that is your shower. And you have a shower curtain that goes up and attaches to the ceiling for that. So, and then we've got a diesel heater right down here, which we're still installing. Everything connects really nicely, so the door closes and pretty seamless. So the way that the stages of how these are made are between 3 and 4 different stages. The first stage is that we take all of our components and we assemble them into the shell, which is riveted together, and then it is caulked in the interior and prepped so that the caulking adheres, and then it's caulked on the exterior. And from there, it goes over to stage 2, which is where side jacks are added, solar panels, roof coating, the doors, shrouds for water, fireplace, shrouds, and then the beginnings of electrical. And dependent on the modules that people get, we'll start to put some modules in place. Like that's the AC right there. So that's how that's looking. And then we go over, this is stage 3 right here. And so this is where we begin to add interior components. We add these side mounts, and then here is the here's Seth and Seth. And so here's the kitchen, and then we begin adding things like the battery, the partitions, and ceiling fan, and flooring, and a few other components that start to shape it into a camper. And then stage 4 is the finished one that you see over here. So there's something pretty cool that I want to talk to you about, which is a new developing product, and it goes into the back of a truck. And what it is it's a, if you have a topper like this, what we're developing is a truck bed slide-in that you can sleep on, so that you can have kind of a living area right here and a sleeping loft right here. You can do these as double wide, so that you have a lot of extra storage. Hold on, give me 1 second. I gotta pull this thing out. All right, so this is what's really cool about this, is that you can pull this out. You have just a tremendous amount of storage. So these are for folks that would want to go on a weekend fishing trip, come back, and then store that unit in their garage and continue to use their camper or truck. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this walkthrough. Thanks for being a part of it. Thanks for keeping tabs on how we're doing as a company, and reach out with any questions. I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.